Katie?
Nick?
You want to talk about throw balls?
I sure do.
Okay, so we have an old throw ball and we have a new throw ball.
Right.
All right, you hold yours up by the ring, I'll hold mine up by the ring.
Okay.
No, hold it up like this.
I don't think I can.
But why not? I mean, all I'm doing is holding it by the ring with 2 fingers. Can't you do that?
Mine needs assistance. Nope. Wait. There, I'm doing it.
All right, so this is what makes this throw weight special. Now, in addition to this, which we're going to get into here in a second, this is also an environmentally friendly throw weight. So this has stainless steel shot inside of it and not lead.
Not lead. This has lead.
Go ahead, let's see what's inside of this one. Try not to cut the stainless steel open, but go ahead and cut that open for me.
Okay.
There's probably a balloon in there if I had to guess.
Yes, I'm just going to try to pinch the top. I'm trying to make a small incision so I can see maybe what we're doing here. So I don't think I've perforated the ballon.
Now for the record, this is the discontinued Courant throw weight. These used to be in the market. They're not anymore because they've been replaced by the tuna. All right, I see a balloon in there.
Looks like I've not killed it. Here we go.
All right, so what do we have in here? Let's see. So this is lead. We don't want to break this. I don't want to get lead all over me.
No. That would be a spill in aisle 3.
So inside of this throw weight, we have what I'm guessing is a double-bagged balloon. I'm not going to try to find out. We have a double-bagged balloon, and then just a bag. Just like any bag is sewn, they sew it inside out like this. So they take a piece of material, a side piece, bing, 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 and then close it up.
Yep.
And that's how you get a throw weight. There's really not much special about throw weights, which is why pretty much every throw weight on the market is exactly the same. We have seen some other brands move away from lead into stainless steel, which we love to see, but we haven't really seen anyone innovate beyond just changing the stitching pattern. But I want to bring you guys back to this. Why is this happening? Because this is being done for a reason, right? We know that when we go to pull our throw weight over a branch, that it can get jammed in a union, right? Like this. So when you pull it like this, it's lifting it up and pulling it through the union, as opposed to trying to bend that bag through the union. But I want to figure out how they did it. So I let you cut the last one. I'm going to do
You're
this
going
one.
to do that one.
Yeah, I'm going to do this
for
one.
Sure. We got some green going on here. Ooh.
Why is there green in here?
I don't know.
Is one of the other throw weights in the line green? I wonder if they're using a lined material and just flipping it.
Maybe.
You've been a Courant ambassador for how long now?
Oh gosh, probably 7, 8 years at least. I've been working with them.
Oh, we've got a little rupture in here, but these are not lead balls. So,
no,
but they are.
We are safe.
There's going to be a little bit spilling out here, so let's see if we can. All right, so the balloon is maybe leaking a little bit in here, but that's okay. What are these? These are cool, huh? It's not lead.
No.
Right, but I know there's a bag of weight in here, but what I want to try to figure out is what is making this, giving it this nice shape. I think I punctured the balloon. Oh, I thought somebody was clearing their throat. That's the coffee machine, everybody. Oh boy, we're making a big mess. Oh yeah, see? I punched a hole in it with the scissors there. That's my fault.
It's okay. Now the viewers can see what's actually inside without breaking their own, because I think they're going to be hard pressed to break this throw ball.
Oh yeah, see, look, I really ripped that balloon there. All right, here we go.
There's a lot of layers in there.
Yeah, there's a lot of material in here, and that's to keep all this weight inside of here. Oh boy, oh boy. All right, we got the balloon out. We'll just push that out of the way. So I want to figure out what is causing it to lift up like that. And I think it's actually something pretty simple. Let's take a look. Throw weight manufacturers around the world are going to be watching this to see how Courant is making these, because this is pretty special.
And they also integrated a flat ring on this rather than the round ring in the predecessor. As you can see, this is round.
And that makes the knot hold on it better.
Yeah, it definitely grabs it.
The knot won't roll around it
No.
much as much. So kind of anticlimactic, everybody. I know we were all hoping that there was some crazy technology in here, but something really simple, like a piece of hard plastic that they have bent around the ring. I don't know if... So they've actually bent this piece of plastic, folded it around the ring, and then stitched through it. And that is what is transferring that rigidity from the ring into the throw weight. It's pretty cool.
It is pretty cool
Did
and
you help
pretty
them
simple.
with this?
I did.
You did.
I did.
Were you the one that told them they should help, like, stop it from getting stuck?
The prototype I had that in there already. And so when they handed it to me, it basically was just like that, and it was game changing. I couldn't believe it. It was really good. But I think it was a complaint of the previous ones that a lot were getting stuck because of that bending issue. So I think we've mitigated that now.
Well, there you go. Courant tuna, prepared sashimi style by the team here at TreeStuff. Katie, this was fun.
This one's really fun.
Nobody has innovated throw weights in a really long time, I think. So if you're looking for a throw weight that is actually going to have real performance gains for you, I think we just found it.
Yep, I think this is the fish you want.
Thanks. Good job, everybody.